Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Tonight I'm going to show you how I got this simple but cute date night look. This video is in collaboration with Face by Na, Crazy K, and Natasha Shante. Their information will be linked at the bottom in the description box if you're interested in checking out their pages as well. So if you want to see how I got this look, then stay tuned. Alright guys, so the first thing that I'm going to do is moisturize and prime my face with this Embryloisse moisturizer. This is how I get a really nice skin finish to my skin. Now I'm going to go right in with my Nars foundation and my Fenty foundation. I'll leave a link in the description box for all of my shades. I'm just going to go ahead and mix those two together. And I'm going to work them right into my skin with my fingers. I'm now going to go in with a damp and clean beauty blender, and I'm going to go ahead and work the rest of the foundation into my skin. So you want to make sure that your foundation is blended very well into your skin so you can have a nice seamless coverage. I'm now going to go in with my MAC eyebrow pencil in the color Spiked, and I'm just going to stroke my eyebrow hairs up, and then I'm going to begin to lightly outline my eyebrows. So you want to make sure that you're using gentle strokes. This is so that you get a nice natural finish and you don't get an overly dramatic look. Now before I clean up my eyebrows, I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer, and I'm going to apply that to my under eyes. I like to let my concealer sit under my eyes for a little bit, so I usually apply that right to my under eyes, and then the next thing I'm going to do is go in and clean up my eyebrows. So you'll see that in a second. Now I'll be going right in with my flight concealer brush from Ulta and the same LA Girl concealer, and I'm going to go ahead and clean the bottom of my eyebrows. I'll now be going in with my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Expresso, and I'm going to use my flat concealer brush again just to clean up above my eyebrows. I'm using a darker shade that's more similar to my complexion just to give it a nice natural finish. And I'm just using my concealer brush to blend in my concealer. I'm going to go right in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm going to apply that all over the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and then I'm going to also apply some to the bridge of my nose, the middle of my forehead, and my chin. I'm going to go right back in with the same damp beauty blender, and I'm going to go ahead and blend in all the concealer that I just applied to my face. The next thing I'm going to do is go in with my Fenty Beauty matchstick in the color Expresso, and I'm going to use that to contour. So I'm going to draw out my contour lines on my cheeks, the sides of the bridges of my nose, and my forehead. I'm also going to add a little bit right beside my chin just to sculpt out my face. I'm now going to use my Real Techniques Instapop cheek brush to blend in all of the areas that I've just applied the contour to. So you want to be very careful with this. Just make sure you blend the contour into your skin. You do not want to leave any harsh lines. Alright guys, so I'm going to use my Sascha Buttercup powder to set all of my highlighters. So everywhere that I've used the lighter shade of concealer, I'm going to go ahead and use my beauty blender and press that into those areas. I'll now be going in with my Mercier powder, Translucent Deep, and I'm going to use that to set my foundation and all of the areas that have been contoured. I'm just going to press that in. I like to press my powder in before I brush it off. I'm going to go right in with my Morphe E58 brush and my Sephora Microsmooth powder, and I'm going to go ahead and use that to blend all of the powder into my skin. So once I've pressed everything in with the Beauty Blender, I go right over with my Morphe brush, and this really helps to give me a nice finish, guys. Almost forgot to show you guys how I brush off the excess powder from under my eyes. I'm gonna go right in with my Real Techniques setting brush and just brush all of that excess powder off. Then we can get to blending everything in together. I'm going to go right in with my Morphe E61 brush and my MAC Mineralize Skin Deposit and Gold Deposit, and I'm just going to go ahead and add some highlighter to my cheeks, to the point of my nose, to my forehead, and you just want to make sure you blend it in. So now I'm going to go right in and set my face with the Loreal Infallible Pro Set and Spray. I'm just going to go ahead and spray that over my face, and then I'm going to allow it to dry. The next thing I want to do is apply eyeliner to my eyes. So I'm going to use my NYX Skinny Eyebrow Marker. I'll now be applying my mascara. I'm using the Maybelline Falsies in Blackest Black. I'm just going to go ahead and add that to my top lid and bottom lid. Alright guys, I've applied my lashes off camera. So the next thing that I want to do is go in and line my lips with my NYX lip pencil in Expresso. I'll now be going in with my MAC Satin Lipstick in the color Shrimpton. I'm just going to apply that all over my lips. Finally, I'm going to be applying my Fenty Beauty lip gloss in the color Fussy. This is my favorite lip gloss, y'all. I love Fenty Beauty products. But anyway, I'm going to apply that over the lipstick, and then I'll be right back with the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below, and give me a thumbs up, guys.